Hello there, folks. A while back, this broke on me. See that? So, I brought it down to my new shop here. I was going to get rid of it because at this point it's useless as a voice. But then I saw what broke on here. And there's a bolt in here. You have to excuse the lawnmower. Junior is doing the plowing the North 40 here. This broke the guide. So I figured a while back I did a video on doing the thermostat housing at JB Welded. So I figured, what the heck, let me try this. And we know what kind of quality we get when we buy cheap. Look how centered that hole is. Centered real good. Unbelievable. Oh well. But either way, I figured I'd give it a shot. And it goes in here some right about there. And I guess this is the bolt. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I gotta use both hands. Well, it's in there, folks. And by the way, this bolt, that was a 3/4 inch bolt. I don't know, something from China out there. It's a 3/4 inch. Well, let's see what happens now if I put this in. Again, gotta use both hands. Well, it's in there, folks. For how long it's gonna work, I don't know. But it's working. I was just going to use it as an anvil down here, but it's working. Even with that crooked hole, very good quality not very precisely machined, that's for sure. But it's in there. It's working. Yeah, like I said, I was just going to use this as an anvil, bend metal, sheet metal, because I got as you can see back there, I got the Trans Am down here. Going to continue on that. Let's see. Yeah, works. I'll let you know how long this thing lasts with the JB Weld. We'll see. Okay, folks. It's a hot one. I just figured I'd give you a short one today, because mama ain't raised no fool. Alright, later. Keep cool out there. Drink plenty of water.